Hello, today we're going to talk about how to see and everything ChatGPT remembers about you and how to delete them. ChatGPT has been quietly remembering things about you without you ever telling it to. So that's kind of awkward or scary even. So this includes your job, your habits, things you mentioned once passing in your chats or conversations with ChatGPT. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to show you exactly how to see what it knows and how to control it in under 2 minutes. So about me, I'm Ronaldo Endaya, founder of Endaya AI Media. Every week I break down practical AI tips like this one, and give you AI hacks, tips, guides, and even tips on business relating to AI. So you can work smarter and stay in control of the tools you use. So let's get into it. So you might ask, why is this important? Why this matters? So here's what's actually happening. AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude AI, their AI memory features build a profile from your conversations automatically, often without asking you to confirm it first. Now, this isn't necessarily malicious or bad. It's meant to make the AI more useful. But here's the thing. You should know that it's happening, and you should have control over it. That's what today's topic is about. So let me show you exactly how. Let's go to my screen. So for step 1, open your ChatGPT app and go to settings, personalization, memory. Then let's go to memory. This right here is everything it saved about you. Take a second and actually read through yours, because people have no idea this list exists. Now for step 3, how to delete individual memory. If something here feels off, you can delete it one by one. Just tap this and it's gone. Then step 4, clear all or turn memory off completely. If you want a clean slate, there's a clear all option here. And if you don't want it remembering anything going forward, you can turn memory off completely. Then finally, bonus, we can do the same for Claude AI. Let's go to key takeaway or lesson here is you don't have to be paranoid about this, but you should be informed. Check this today. It only takes 2 minutes. This may sound like trivial or unnecessary, but for me it's important. And now you're in control of the AI, not the other way around, not AI controlling our data or anything. So if you found this useful, hit subscribe. Every week I show things like this, tips, hacks about AI. So I love teaching about AI. So see you in my next video. Thank you.